Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Remalin Lagaso, 43 years old, from Barangay Kapasan, Dingras, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and he is 33 years old. I have one kid and she is 12 years old. I have one sister and she is 33 years old and I am the oldest of the family. I am hardworking person, honest, God-fearing, and patient. I have an experience in Qatar for 2 years and 7 months for taking care of elderly woman and she is 81 years old and she is totally bedridden. She's having a type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and hypertension. My daily duties there are feed her, give her medication, take a bath with her, and changing her diapers. I have an experience in Dubai for almost 1 year and 7 months for taking care of elderly woman, and she is 76 years old. She is hypertension, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. My daily duties there are feed her, give her medication. I have an experience here in the Philippines last June 2024 for taking care of newborn baby up to the present. Ma'am, sir, please hire me and I do all my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you.